Last time, Team Hatzi, I did countless hours of researching about Hatzi shorts and trying to find some Hatzi shorts on the $10 Team Hatzi, but I could not find any. This led me to decide what could we sell next for under $10, and I remembered Hatzi socks would be an amazing option. Hatzi socks would be cheap and they'd be under $10, so this was perfect. I then remembered that I had to ring the base Team Hatzi, and this is what they said.
It's been a crazy week, mate, and I can't talk right now, so can you please ring me back in a couple of days so we can discuss what are we going to do?
I want to make a competition for Hatzi. I want to do something out of this world. Oh, hello Team Hatzi. It was day 134 of the 180 day challenge, and well Team Hatzi, today I came up with a crazy idea which involved you Team Hatzi designing some Hatzi socks. This was going to be the Hatzi sock design competition where you Team Hatzi would design a random pair of Hatzi socks and I would pick the winner, and that winner would be the official Hatzi sock design and will get printed and sold around Australia and around the world Team Hatzi. That was the goal. Also Team Hatzi, today I went for an interview with this magazine company called Moonrise Magazine. It was a great interview. We had a little chat. They're a new magazine. They're going to recently get the magazine out and we're going to be in it Team Hatzi, which is crazy. We've always wanted to do that and we've finally achieved our goal Team Hatzi. And finally, post. Team Hatzi, I finally posted the Hatzi sock competition and it's officially launched. It was crazy Team Hatzi. It was day 135 of the 180 day challenge, and today Team Hatzi, what's the day? The Hatzi sock competition went live. It went all around the world and all these sock designs were coming in left, right and center Team Hatzi. It was amazing and these sock designs can't be done without my amazing support from you Team Hatzi. And if you want to help me out just a little bit more, you want to help Team Hatzi out, I'm going to show you how to do it right now Team Hatzi. So take a deep breath, get your mouse, scroll down just a little bit Team Hatzi, and hit that red subscribe button and help the Hatzi channel grow. Hello? Yeah, Jimmy. Yeah, that sounds amazing. Let's do it. Just hold on. Hello Team Hatzi, it was day 136 of the 180 day challenge, and today Team Hatzi, I met up with my friend Jimmy, a Hatzi member, and we decided to make a little video for you Team Hatzi, just to show you how being your best and what it is all about to be your best. This video took some time Team Hatzi and it was amazing, so have a little look Team Hatzi. No way! No way! How'd you do that? I really want to show Team Hatzi how they can be their best. I want to show them about. Hello Team Hatzi, it was day 137 of the 180 day challenge, and today Team Hatzi was the day that I was going to show you how you could be your best. I put together 5 different ways that you could be your best, and let's have a look at them right now Team Hatzi. Exercise. I feel really not my best today, but I'm going to do some exercise right now to feel my best. I feel so good right now. I feel my best. Eat healthy foods. This chocolate does not make me feel my best. What's that? Is this healthy food? That makes me feel my best. I can't wait to get rid of this. Mindfulness. You gotta do that. You gotta do this. You gotta do that. Stop. Shush. Stop. Shush. Peace. That makes me feel so good and it makes me feel my best. Don't compare yourself to others. Why can't I just look like him? He's so amazing. Look at his hair. You know what? I don't need to look like him. I'm amazing, I'm beautiful. I can't wait to start my day. Wear your favorite clothes. This shirt makes me feel amazing and I love it. It's fake. I get so many compliments, but the haters say it's fake. Yeah, James. Wednesday. Really? Wednesday. Just wait, hold on. Hello Team Hatzi, it was day 138 of the 180 day challenge, and well, I was just on the phone to James. James is from the Beast magazine, and well, we were just talking together, Team Hatzi, about when we're going to have a little interview so we can organise what are we going to put in the Beast magazine. Are we going to have a little article? We're even going to have a whole page about Hatzi. Who knows, Team Hatzi? And we'll find out next week on Wednesday when we have that little interview together. Team Hatzi, the only reason that we are having this little conversation and a little interview on Wednesday with the Beast magazine is because of you, Team Hatzi. That is right. We have bombarded the Beast magazine with text message after text message, phone call after phone call, and finally, Team Hatzi, it has paid off. And we have got a little interview, all because of you, Team Hatzi. That is why we are strong. That is why I love you, Team Hatzi. It was day 139, Team Hatzi, and today I woke up feeling like I was missing something, Team Hatzi. I remember that it was actually the last day of the Hatzi sock design competition. I was super excited about this, Team Hatzi, and I couldn't wait to see all your sock designs. I then counted down the seconds, Team Hatzi, and in the meantime, Team Hatzi, remember to keep updated by following the Hatzi Daily Instagram. And remember, Team Hatzi, to be your best.